Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how you guys can fix the installation as stopped error code on your Xbox. And let's get started. So the first thing I recommend doing is, if you guys have like a update and you were installing the update but the installation has stopped and nothing you try is fixing it, what I recommend doing is deleting the game and then re-downloading it, because that way the game will be downloaded with the update, and you won't have to like add on anything. It'll automatically be updated once you download the game. But if it's not a downloading, but like if it's like an installation, like you have to install the game at all and it's not working, so the first thing I recommend you guys doing is clicking on the Xbox logo on your controller, going down to profile and systems, and I want you guys to sign out. Once you sign out, sign back in. You can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is heading over to settings. From settings, scrolling down to account, and then from account, I want you guys to remove your account and then add it back in, and then you can also check to see if that fixes the issue as well. The third method you guys can try doing is heading over to general, heading over to network settings. If this is a network issue, this will help, but you want to go down to advanced settings. From here, you want to choose the primary and secondary DNS options, and you want to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Now once you go ahead and do that, you should be good to go. I recommend turning off your Xbox or restarting it, it's up to you. But anyways, once you're done with that, you should be good to go. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.